This is a 2018 Chevy Traverse Premier with the PEPPERDUST metallic paint. It's got the Continental cross contact tires. They're Eco Plus. These are 20-inch rims. Proximity entry on all four doors. This paint is really cool. Got the LED blinkers here on the side. The doors have the 3M clear edge for the door dings, stuff like that. Helps protect it. Same thing here. It's got the WeatherTech floor liners, first, second, third, and cargo area. Full coverage, front to back. Has the dual sunroofs. It's a non-smoker. Got the second row captains. You can see the sunroofs there. I haven't opened them, sorry. Got this little handle here. Slide the seat forward. Tons of room to get to your third row. That seats 3 back here. So this is a 7-passenger vehicle. You got the 110 port, 2 USBs, climate control, and the second row captains do have their own heated seats. See the WeatherTech liners go all the way to the back. So that's super nice, full coverage all the way around. On the Premier, all the side trim and the wheel well, all that stuff is painted to match. So it looks really good. Reverse parking sensors. Does have a power lift gate. WeatherTech liner here in the trunk as well. You do have a 12-volt port here. You got your button. LED tail lights. Of course, you got the LED daytime running lights with the HID headlights. Looks really good. Power driver seat. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Bose audio. It's got the driver memory seat package with easy entry exit. See a real cool pattern here on the door inlay. $60,000 miles. Forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, got your Bluetooth. Automatic headlights. Power adjustable steering column, and you can save that position with this feature as well. Automatic high beams, intermittent wipers, got your push button start. This one does have built-in navigation. You got your backup camera with your 360-degree view. You also have this rear view mirror camera. So you can turn that on or off, so camera or just traditional rear view. So very cool. You do not have to be in reverse for this to stay on. This can stay on 24/7. Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto. AM, FM, XM radio. Going to settings, vehicle collision systems. It has forward collision, automatic braking, front pedestrian detection, automatic braking, park assist, rear cross traffic alert, and lane change alert. On the sides of the mirrors, you see the little car with the star. That's your lane change alert. When that illuminates, somebody is in your blind spot. Heated and ventilated seats here for driver and passenger. Tri-zone climate control. You got a 12-volt port, 2 USBs, auxiliary, and a wireless charging pad. Up top, you got your garage door opener, power sunroof, OnStar. And then here's the key. You got the built-in remote start.